Hi all, Ashley Bright here. I wanted to share my process for making a few different embellishments using fussy cut shapes from paper 24 from the Bloom Street collection. So you can see that I have a few of the shapes cut out and stitched already, and the first thing I'm going to do is make some paperclip embellishments. So the base of this is already made using some Heidi Swapp paper, and then I've just added on different colored pendants to each one, and I'm going into the sticker sheet and the sticker book and ephemera pack, and I'm going to add lots of little details to each one of these. I do also use some dimensional stickers on these, and those are from Pink Fresh Studio. So you'll see me add and layer on quite a bit onto these little shapes. I do think that makes these full of interest, but because the shape is so small, I think that they're still really easy to use. But as I'm completing these, I'll go ahead and put on some music and I will be back in a little bit. here are the final details for this first embellishment. I just love how these turned out. And next I'm going to move on to the second item I'm going to make, and it's going to be this little banner. So again, I've started on the base already. I adhered some pink cardstock flags to some purple ribbon, and I've popped up some pink and purple flags onto that base. Now I'm going to start with each of the flags with a floral piece, and then I will continue on to add lots of little details again, and additional little images. I'm generally moving from light pink on the left to dark purple on the right. You'll also see me use the love sticker from the sticker sheet here in a little bit. I cut it up so each letter could fit on one of the flags, and that will be the love banner, and hopefully a cute little touch to a crafty space. That will complete the banner. Now I'm moving on to my last embellishment. Originally I thought I would do the little like award ribbon shapes, but I end up making these more horizontal, so I layer a few of the flags to the right and then pop up a larger floral embellishment piece to the left. I again continue to layer on little details and add some phrase stickers, and that will be a wrap for these three embellishments. Again, I'll play music through the process, but I hope you like seeing how I use this paper to make a few different items I'll be sending out in Happy Mail. I will also share some pics at the end of this video. I do have a couple other projects to share soon, so keep a lookout for those. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll see the new videos. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there are any questions down below, and we'll talk soon. Bye!